Hello, everyone. Today, let's learn English with a mystery story. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Lina. Lina lived in a small, quiet house. One morning, she sat in her living room. It was a beautiful and peaceful day. She drank some warm tea and looked out the window. She felt very happy. Everything seemed normal and quiet. Suddenly, she saw something. A black cat sat on the wooden fence outside. It was a very strange and sleek cat. The cat had bright, glowing, emerald eyes. It stared directly at Lina. It did not move or look away. Lina opened the window. She said, "Hello, cat. Why are you watching me?" But the cat stayed completely still. The hours passed. The sun went down and the sky became dark. Shadows grew very long on the walls. Lina walked into the kitchen to prepare her dinner. The atmosphere in the house changed. It felt heavy and cold. Suddenly, Lina heard a soft sound from the corner. What was that? She asked herself. Her heart started to beat fast. She looked at the kitchen window. The black cat was there again. Its eyes glowed brightly in the dark night. She wanted to sleep and forget about the cat. She opened her bedroom door slowly. It was sitting right in the middle of her bed. Lina stopped at the door. She was very surprised. "How did you get in here?" she whispered to the cat. The cat purred loudly, but it did not move. Its emerald eyes glowed even brighter in the dark shadows of the room. It walked toward a dark corner under the old wooden table. There was an old wooden box hidden there. Lina never noticed it before. The cat stopped and looked at the box. Lina followed the cat. She sat on the floor and carefully opened the box. It was full of dust and old papers. Inside the box, she found an old photograph. It was a picture of a young girl. The girl looked exactly like Lina. The girl in the photo held a black cat. Lina turned the photo over. It had a date written on it, 1924. It said, "Lina and midnight, 1924. Lina gasped. That was exactly 100 years ago. She was very confused. She looked up to show the cat the photo, but the cat was gone. It disappeared into the dark shadows. Lina realized she was never alone in this house. The cat was a ghost from her family's past. Our history and our family are always with us. They watch over us in many mysterious ways. Do you believe? Now, let's learn some new words from the story. First is shadow. A shadow is a dark area where there is no light. Next is whisper. To whisper means to speak very, very quietly. Lina whispered to the cat in her room. Mystery is something that is secret or difficult to explain. This story is a mystery about a girl and a cat. Last is sudden. Sudden means happening very quickly or without warning. Can you answer these questions? First, where did Lina find the old wooden box? Think about the story. Question 2. Who was in the old photograph? And question 3. What was the name of the cat in 1924? Today, we practiced the past simple tense. We used words like saw, walked, and found. These are very important. I hope you enjoyed this mystery. Keep practicing your English every day. Goodbye, and see you next time.